Hello and welcome to the Fintech Futures Report in association with Dukascopy TV. Let's get into it, shall we, and see what we got for you this week. Goldman Sachs is acquiring fintech lender and buy now, pay later provider GreenSky in a $2.24 billion deal. Goldman Sachs sees the deal as a chance for it to boost its entry into consumer finance markets. The US banking giant will furnish its Marcus banking app with capabilities from the GreenSky platform. It has already added automated investing and personal finance to Marcus and inked partnerships with a range of major companies including Amazon and Apple. GreenSky offers loans paid back over weeks and months, usually for large purchases. The company services a $9 billion loan portfolio and claims to have financed more than $30 billion overall. The deal is expected to close in 2022. Thought Machine has secured a deal with major US bank JP Chase for the deployment of its flagship core banking system, Vault. JP Chase Retail Bank will now transition to Vault in the US, while Thought Machine is also reportedly involved in the launch of Chase in the UK. The deal is another major step for the UK-based vendor in its quest to break into the US as a market. Last week, it signed another US client in Arkansas bank, Arvest Bank. Rohan Amin, Chase Chief Innovation Officer, says the partnership gives the bank an opportunity to take full advantage of the cloud. Thought Machine is also expected to announce a new funding round worth $150 million, which would push its valuation into unicorn territory. The vendor has earmarked the majority of its prior funding towards geographic expansion and now has major offices in North America, Asia, and Europe. Nigeria's Zenith Bank has signed a landmark deal with Oracle FS to overhaul its core banking systems and trade finance operations. The bank, founded in 1990, is one of the largest lenders in West Africa. It holds around $16.1 billion in assets with a revenue of $854 million. Zenith currently operates on Finastra's Fusion Banking Essence platform, installed when the company was known as Missy's. Oracle is now set to replace the previously installed Finastra systems and services. Oracle has won a handful of major new deals so far this year. It signed a lending deal with AT&T and an implementation of several systems at Central Bank of Egypt. At the start of the month, Fintech Futures discovered the vendor had won a front-to-back deal with one of Kuwait's largest lenders, Gulf Bank. Business lender MarketFinance has secured a £280 million debt and equity fundraise and will form part of the UK government's efforts to shore up the economy in the wake of the pandemic. The fintech's accreditation under the Recovery Loan Scheme follows its accreditation under the Coronavirus Business Interruption Loan Scheme, under which it lent £250 million to UK companies. Launched by the British Business Bank in April 2021, the Recovery Loan Scheme provides funding for businesses struggling with cash flow or for those who want to invest in new equipment and prepare for future growth. MarketFinance says it is ready to lend immediately, with debt financing provided from a large global investment firm, alongside Italy's largest bank, Intesa Sanpaolo. The equity investment was led by Black River Ventures with participation from existing investor Barclays Bank. Well, that's all for this edition of the Fintech Futures Report in association with Dukascopy TV. Thank you very much for watching, and don't worry, we'll be back soon with more Fintech updates. Until then, goodbye.